Hello? Hello there, I'm just doing an interview. Hello Carl, how you doing Carl? How's the enduro been today? Have you come off at all?
Yes, right, yes, on the camber.
Oh no! Did you get any damage to the motorcycle,
yes,
Carl? Oh, let's go and have a look at the damage here. Let's have a look. Oh my word! Oh my word! Right. Hello, and this is Nigel. Say hello.
You've been pissing on your trousers.
Nigel's pissed himself. Yeah. This is Graham Martin, a face on the turf. We've not seen Graham for years. Hang on, I'll get a bigger frame of him. He's lost all his hair. His lovely ginger locks have all gone. Oh no, dear me. What happened, Graham? What happened to your ginger hair, Graham?
No, you're right. First time it fell out.
It fell out.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll turn Graham back sideways again. Oh, there he goes. Back to Nigel. How's it going, Nigel?
It's going well.
Okay, Carl. Back up, Carl. Carl, give it a rev, Carl. Yes. All right. Okay. Carl's having a little sip of my tea. Oh, get it down, you Carl. Go on, Carl. Oh, he's drinking it all. Don't believe it. Oh, smashing, Carl. How's that then, Carl? All right. Okay. Right. Off you go then. Carl, you got to go. Carl, go, Carl. Go, Carl. Let's have a look. Let's get around here so we can see a bit better. Oh yeah, look. And here's all the boys together. How's that then? There's Carl, there's Nigel, and Graham. And hang on, I'm passing it over. I want to be on here too. Hello. No.
Those trousers.
Yeah. No.
You had the fire earlier.
Yes, it did. Yeah. Here we go.
Let's watch the bike come and run you over.
That's enough. We're not pointing it anywhere in particular. Right. Okay. Graham, going down memory lane here. Oh, Graham, can you remember those days? There he goes. Graham, go out in his place. Well, we'll just hang on. Change hands. 99. Right, here he goes. Remember the wristband. Don't go without it. Ring digga ding ding ding. Here he comes. Crazy frog time. Ring digga ding 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 ding. Ring digga ding ding. Here comes his partner. Look. Oh no, that's 137. Wrong one. Oh no, Carl. Here he comes. Look into his eyes. How long is this left? Greedy bastard. Right, okay. This is Neil, the commentator. I'm afraid his partner's gone round the game, so we'll resume this when he comes in.
First one, I'm going to let go for a while.
Hello, mate.
Nice night for me. How can you punch the ground? The only sport trying to get is that you scored when you gave up, did you?
Yeah, that's it. Don't tell what I've given up beer.
You got pissed off, right?
It's not.
No. What's your catering manager say?
He's catering manager.
Oh, that's very funny. Fine, mate. I'll just have a nice sign up as well.
Right, things in here, look. How about having a nice fluffy bar?
Nuts, mate.
Yeah, have it. Enjoy that one on me.
Oh, you as well.
Ginger nut. How long does it take to get round there? You go time, like half an hour? Huh? Not half an hour. About half an hour for free.
Oh, really? Yeah.
About 10 minutes. I'm trying to do free.
So you both grab your own bikes then? You don't actually... Oh, you don't share bikes?
Mark's here.
Oh, really?
He's done a copy. Yeah. And a copy that welder.
There's only well to saw.
That wheel keeps screaming out something. I can't work out what it's saying.
One at a time. One at a time.
This is Nigel Graham, get off.
One at a time. Do electric start on it. Do electric start. No electric start.
Too much weight. No.
I'll take it over there. Go on. Don't put it in gear. That's going to be off, mate.
It's not in gear.
No, it's not in gear. Let's get it started. Good start. Yeah. Not too many. Drops away, old chap. It's still fucking recording now.